in Tura town. Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC President Vincent H. Pala has issued a stern warning to 3 Congress MLAs, including Nongstoin MLA Gabriel Watlang, who recently resigned, stating that legal complaints have been filed that could lead to by-elections in their constituencies. Speaking at a public gathering in Nongstoin, Pala indicated that these actions might result in the MLAs losing their status and triggering fresh elections, suggesting that the defecting MLAs were motivated by personal gain. Ronnie V. Lingdor, the sole remaining Congress MLA, accused the defectors of colluding with the BJP to undermine the Congress party, framing the political struggle as a battle against the BJP's imposition of laws against the people's will.
Amendment bill. This approach yang appeal court ke orang high court tolong tolong. Tanganai, you know to go to support your India bawa away. Kita appeal hakim itu kan berfakti di dalam MLA. Bodi kita sangat disqualify. Tapi tu lebih sian sama punya benar. Ini punya web MDC, mengenai kemajuan Scottish Council. What let Bangla Afrika. Kita akan juga pacarnya. What Bangla. Defections Congress, Kumbamani, Kama, the BJP, the Thumb, one project, the Pushaman project, the Congress, no matter the problem, Putala, Yamari, Sisha, and the media.
Yesterday, the Khasi students